Hi everyone! Let's quickly create a job card using the fastest software, Cinca. We're now on the dashboard. Let's say our customer needs an engine oil change. From the left sidebar, go to Services and select Job Card. This is your job card screen. Now let's begin. On the left side, choose a job type. Remember we had created a template called Oil Change? Let's select that. Enter the customer name. Let's type Jessica. Select vehicle type as car, brand as Maruti, and subname as Swift. Pick a date and add a time. You can set the current time or a delivery time. Want to upload a picture? Just click the upload button. Set old oil condition to good and choose extra service as no. Now on the right side, let's add the materials and services required for this job. Add engine oil as an item. Click Add. Now let's add a service. Type engine oil change. Click Add. You can even edit the quantity before adding. From the three dots, you can quickly create a new item or access sales settings. From the top section, you can add a new customer or choose an existing one. I'll go with an existing one. On the extreme right, you can put the job card on hold or click the arrow to view on-hold job cards. At the bottom, assign an agent for this job. Use more options to apply discounts, split bills, or add customer. You can also preview the order on the customer display screen. Great, right? Before finishing, let's update the status. You can choose your status from the status list. Or create a new one. Click on the status button and let's create a status called Ongoing. You can add more statuses depending on your workflow. Finally, choose what you want to do. Provide an estimate, create an order, or take a payment if the customer is ready. Select the payment method, save the invoice, and you're done. That's how easy it is to create a job card in Cinca. Fast, simple, and efficient. Thanks for watching.